Bitcoin broke yesterday in a new all-time high, and the question is, will we now continuously go higher, or is this potentially the biggest bull trap in history? That is something that I want to talk about. Hi, my name is Alex from AMCrypto, and let's get straight into the charts. So here I am on Bitcoin on the 4-hourly chart, and we can see that we can really close here to our resistance, our upper resistance here at 67,757. So, but we get actually smacked down here at $66,900 approximately, and are now trending to the downside. We actually tested here our prior all-time high. So, and that was also something that I had mentioned, that most likely we're going to see this, and that I will add to my positions when we hit this specific level. But when we are going now to here on the 30 minutes chart, there we can see that Bitcoin is preparing for the next move to the upside, because we have formed here this downwards broadening wedge. So, and we all know what happens after a downwards broadening wedge or a downwards falling wedge. So we always see a break to the upside all the way to the technical target, which is the top of the broadening wedge. So, and that is at $67,000 approximately. So also, when we have a look on our cup and handle pattern, we are really close here to our technical target, all the way up at $74,000. And remember, guys, I had told you from the beginning, when we were all the way down here, that when we get to the technical target, that I will take their profits on my trades, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So now we are trading here slightly above the prior all-time high, as we can see here. So we are really slightly above it. So what I would like to see here on this daily chart is that we are closing this daily candle that we have here of today above that specific level, and the next one actually continues to move here to the upside. That would be the biggest confirmation that we would need to confirm further upside here for Bitcoin. Then I also want to show you quick this specific chart here. If you remember, guys, a while back I had shown you this bump and run pattern where we have a lead-in phase, a bump phase, a throwback to the trend line, and the upper run. So, and this pattern seems now perfectly, absolutely perfectly to be playing out here. So we got our lead-in phase where the price goes to a new high, and from that high we create an only lower highs, come one more time up here to test the trend line that we have here, and then we get a massive move to the downside, get a consolidation phase, move back up. So, and that is then completing the bump phase. We are breaking above the trend line, start trading above it, come back and test it here and there, and then we go in our uphill run. So the technical target of this bump and run pattern is here at $70,500. So, and that is not that far away from our other pattern, from the cup and handle pattern of $74,000. So, and now when we have a look here on the textbook bump and run pattern, here you can see exactly what I've shown you now on the chart. We have here our lead-in phase, then we get a movement to the downside, which is then creating this rounding shape like a bump. We move it above the trend line, get a throwback to the trend line, and then start a massive uphill run. So now, once again, look here. This looks so similar when you compare this. So in my opinion, there's no doubt that we will complete here these last $5,000 to the upside to complete this pattern. Now let's jump really quick here into my trades. So as you can see, my trade here is 127% in profit. So I'm here over a Bitcoin in profit, $67,000. It's insane. So, and also on Phemex, I just opened a new trade. So this trade is right now a little bit underwater. A minute ago it was in profit. So, but that's absolutely fine because even if we get here lower, I will just add more to my position, as you can see here. Right now, I have here $235,000 in contracts. So when you compare that with my Bybit trade, then I have roughly $1.5 million right now in this specific position. So guys, and if you are on the sideline and you also want to trade this new Bitcoin all-time high, the all-time high that we have seen yesterday is nothing. So we are not done yet, guys. So if you want to trade the next move to the upside here, then let me show you where you can get in. So there are two ways how you can get in. So the first one would be if we come back here to around this specific level here. Let me make this a little bit thicker. So if we come back to $63,775, as you can see here, there is a lot of support now in this region. So that should give us support. If we fall to this line here, there I will add massively to my positions. The other way how you can enter now a trade would be if we break above that broadening falling wedge here. So, and then I would enter here roughly. Let me also make this another color. So at $65,572. So here, it doesn't matter which way we are going. So you have now two really nice entries to enter here a long position. So now the other question is, to what price would I trade this to the upside? So personally, I will trade this to $73,800, so roughly $74,000. So, but if you want to be a little bit more conservative, then you can just trade it here all the way up to this resistance line here. So you should now understand this is a moving target. So as the price matures, this line also extends every time a little bit more. So until we touch it. So, and that would be between $68,900 and $69,300. So in that kind of range, I would take profits if I wanted to be here conservative. So, but I will be a little bit more on the risky side and I will trade it up to $74,000. So, and now when we're looking on the percentage return, really quick. So from here all the way up there, we are talking about 8% and here 8.6%. So that would be over 80% profit that you could back here. And when we are taking it from the breakout here, it would be still 5.7 or 5.2. So also still 50 to 60% with a 10x leverage trade that you can bank. So, and if you want to trade this, then you can go to Bybit. With my Bybit link in the description below, you can get still a $3,500 bonus. That is the biggest bonus that Bybit has ever given as a deposit bonus. Or you go to Phemex, which is also an amazing exchange. I have met the team now the last couple of days. They're amazing and I love these people. So there you still get a $1,200 bonus. And yeah, you find both links in the pinned comment below. Now let's jump here into Ethereum. Ethereum was also having a crazy move here yesterday. So once we broke here this specific resistance line at $3,890, and I had set that, guys. Look at the video from a couple of days back. We have to wait to see a break above this line, and only then we will enter positions and trade this to the technical target of $4,500. And there you see, guys, I had told you once we break above that specific line that we will see here a crazy move to the upside and that we will also disregard the $3,971 resistance. We will smash through it, and that's exactly what we have seen now. So, and now the technical target from the inverse head and shoulders comes here definitely into play because we are so close to so close to hit this target. There's nothing above the Ethereum price, only blue skies, no resistance whatsoever. So the technical target all the way up here is $4,520. I have seen in the comments yesterday, there were so many people that were able to take this trade. That is amazing, people, amazing. I'm so happy that you make so much money right now with the trade calls that I give you absolutely for free. So, and we will definitely continue to do so. And let's try in this bull run to be the most profitable community out there and the most profitable YouTube channel out there. So now in Solana, also here, I had again said that when we're breaking here above this specific level, $180, and we settle above this, that we will continue here in direction of $200. And that is also, again, once again, what we are seeing here, especially when we're closing the next 4-hourly candle above $180. So I hope that you were able to catch the trade here at $165, as I had also mentioned several days back, that when we break above this level, that we are most likely seeing here a really, really crazy move to the upside, especially when we are getting above $180, that we will then also continue to trend here to the upside. So my next technical target for Solana would be definitely $200 approximately. I also wanted to have a quick look here on Cardano. So, and you can see Cardano has completed here now a W pattern. So we should also see here pretty soon a bigger move to the upside. So, and here it's also not too late to get in yet. So here, $2.25 is actually the neckline. So, and when we are closing now with this 4-hourly candle above the neckline, that would be your entry. And then with this W pattern, the technical target would be here $2.42. So that would be also a really nice profit. I will guess now around 30-40% ish. So if you want to take this trade, then wait that we close the 4-hourly candle above $2.25, and my stop loss would be around $2.16. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. Thank you very much for watching again. There are some amazing collaborations coming up in the future with all the people that I've met the last couple of days. If you enjoyed this content and you want definitely see more of it, then please smash up the like button, destroy the YouTube algorithm, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to also hit all notifications. And I will see you tomorrow.